Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video I would like to share to you about the YouTube policy update for 2020. ជំរាបសួរអ្នកនរគ្នាស្វាគមន៍ការប្រឡប់មកសាជាថ្មីមកកាន់នៅ channel YouTube របស់ខ្ញុំហើយនៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះដែរខ្ញុំធ្វើការបង្ហាញអ្នកនរគ្នាទាក់ទងអំពីការ update ថ្មីនៅ YouTube សម្រាប់ឆ្នាំ 2020 នេះ For the category of cats, yes, the YouTube policy has been set about something policy, so that we should to understand about the policy that YouTube provider has been provide, and also give all the creator video on YouTube must to know. អញ្ចឹងនោះដែរអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវតែយល់ដឹងអំពីគោលការណ៍ថ្មីដែល YouTube អ្នកដល់ឲ្យគាត់បានដាក់ជាច្បាប់ដើម្បីឲ្យយើងដឹងអំពី category នៃប្រើប្រាស់សម្រាប់អ្នកក្មេងឬក៏យ៉ាងម៉េចដើម្បីឲ្យយើងជាអ្នក YouTube ហ្នឹងបានបែងចែកច្បាស់លាស់ថាតើប្រភេទនៃ category ហ្នឹងដែលយើងធ្វើហ្នឹងគឺជាប្រភេទអីគេ Okay, so that all the YouTube creator around the world, not in Cambodia, okay, we will be a lot the message like this when we go to the YouTube, and also you go to your channel. For example, I go to my channel, yes, and also I press enter. You will be show the your channel, yes, that you have already done before. អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើការចូលទៅកាន់ YouTube ហើយយើងវាយឈ្មោះនៅ channel របស់យើងនោះយើងទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងទទួលបាននៅ channel របស់យើងបាទហើយបើសិនជាយើងមាន ID គឺយើងអាចវាយចូលបាននេះដែរឬក៏យើងចូលទៅតាមត្រង់កន្លែង okay, so that you can go to this one, but I don't want to go to another because I don't want to cut something, yes, for information I don't want to show to all you guys, yes, because it is the policy that YouTube, yes. អញ្ចឹងនៅខ្ញុំអត់ចង់ចូលទៅក្នុងកន្លែងនេះព្រោះថាខ្ញុំជឿកាត់តញញ៉ៃច្រើនព្រោះថាកន្លែងខ្លះយើងអត់ត្រូវបង្ហាញទេអញ្ចឹងណា Okay, now I go to the YouTube channel and type my channel name and then press enter. Okay, ឡើយចុចវាមកហើយ enter មកអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចូលទៅកាន់ channel YouTube របស់ខ្ញុំហើយ so that click to YouTube Studio, okay, and then we will be show you the message like that. ដល់ពេលនោះវានឹងបង្ហាញយើងនៅ message បែបនេះ important, all creator are obligated take action completely with the children online privacy protection ACT and or another law to review the channel and video setting គឺជាសារមួយដ៏សំខាន់មែនទែនសម្រាប់អ្នក creator ដែលមានកាតព្វកិច្ចក្នុងការបង្កើតនៅក្នុងសកម្មភាពក្នុងការបំពេញជាមួយនឹងpolicy នៃ children នៃកូនក្មេងតាមរយៈ online ហ្នឹងដើម្បីការពារប្រភេទកូនក្មេងហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងគឺយើង ACT ឬក៏ហ្នឹងគឺយកអាការច្បាប់ហ្នឹងគឺឲ្យអ្នកដែលវីដេអូអ្នកដែលបង្កើតអ្នកដែល creator នៃវីដេអូ YouTube ទាំង lain ហ្នឹងគឺត្រូវតែសិតនៅវីដេអូមួយហ្នឹងដើម្បីគាត់ធ្វើការ review នៅវីដេអូហ្នឹង okay, so that we should to review, yes, about the category video, yes, that you use is for cat or not, so you have to select. So first of all, we need to go to the video, yes, you go to video, okay, and then you select this video, okay, you can select all. To me, I select all. This select, okay, this okay, wait for a few minutes. ឥឡូវយើងចាំតិចណាវាកំពុងតែដំណើរការបាទវាគៀងតិចណាហ្នឹងហើយ so that it means that when you select the video that you can select only 30, okay, អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើង select នោះគឺយើងបានត្រឹមតែ30វីដេអូតែប៉ុណ្ណោះអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ថា for example, if you have 1000 videos, you should to select one by one, yes, to edit category, yes, so that YouTube company will be check your video. It's the real video that you already select that is not for the kid or not okay អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់វីដេអូហ្នឹងដែរយើង select ម្ដងគឺវាបានតែ30ទេអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងមាន 1000 វីដេអូអ្នកនរគ្នាគួរតែធ្វើម្ដងមួយណាដើម្បីឲ្យ YouTube channel សម្រាប់ម្ចាស់សម្រាប់ YouTube ហ្នឹងក្រុមហ៊ុន YouTube ហ្នឹងគាត់ធ្វើការ review ម្ដងមួយណា Okay then you go to the edit and then okay wait. Edit okay I did so you select no it's not made for kid okay ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នា select លើនេះមកយើងអត់យកសម្រាប់ជាក្មេងទេ and then update so you should to check when we use it around 13 right 30 maybe like this okay remember by yourself and then update and then I will go to the video okay update yes so are you sure your about the update select video update is your video is permanent and cannot be undone yes click understand our application is the action and then update video okay so wait for a few minutes this one is still processing yes ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នារងចាំបន្តិចទៅឥឡូវវាកំពុងតែដំណើរការហើយ okay now is 13 video has been completely okay and then you go to setting setting and then you tie the default no advanced okay channel setting okay you go to the channel setting and then you tie this one is audition okay audition simple do you want to select channel format of kid no this is the channel made for kid always upload content made for kid no I want to review this every video so later you need to take like this when you update later we will be understand we will recognize your video so no I said this channel not made for kid I never upload content that made for kid okay អញ្ចឹងយើងដាក់ត្រង់កន្លែងនេះមកមានថាពេលក្រោយទៀតគឺវានឹងអត់ចេញត្រង់កន្លែងហ្នឹងទៀតទេណាហ្នឹងហើយយើងនឹងអាចធ្វើបានហើយប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់វីដេអូយើងពីមុនមកអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវតែកែប្រែទាំងអស់ so that all the video that you already has been upload before you should to edit okay re-edit again okay to make sure your video not made for kid okay now I click save yes now my 30 video has been updated already so I go to video again but I remember this one okay okay now I go to the YouTube yes I go to YouTube or I go to comment yes yeah and then go to video again yes okay now it's already so that you can unselect also and do it more yeah okay it's more start from the 13 okay this one you can go to the next video yeah it means 31 right 31 okay you can go to this 31 right yes 31 so you can do it in the same process that I already saw before. Yes. ចឹងអ្នកនរអាចធ្វើដូចអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំបានធ្វើពីមុនមកទៅគឺ to make sure that your video has been made. Yes, it's not for the kid. Okay, thank you very much for your taking time with me for today. អរគុណខ្លាំងមែនទែនសម្រាប់អ្នកនរសម្រាប់ការចំណាយពេលវេលាដ៏មានតម្លៃសម្រាប់ការតាមដាននៅវីដេអូមួយនេះខ្ញុំ Rorfin. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. ខ្ញុំ Rorfin អរគុណអ្នកច្រើនមែនទែនហើយយើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូបន្តទៀតសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា